Previously on Gunpla Note, we're gonna do the clear coat, and don't forget we still need to paint the mainframe for the golden nostrils. I will only do the panel line, but I will do some dry brushes going on the edges of the white and probably some. Hello everybody, this is Artz Note. Today we're gonna do the panel lines, and as usual we use two different colors, the black for the light color and the brown for like darker. Actually it's not that dark, but for those metallic color, so give it like a greasy, oily looks. Yeah. And that being said, yeah, I think overall the looks fine. I mean the color, but you never know until you really apply the enamel paint on top of it. And if the server is not that smooth, you will leave more than you expected on top of it. So yes, let's keep our finger crossed and hopefully everything goes smoothly. Right, let's just get started. Alright, now we have finished all the panel lines. It took me a while, but yeah, I did it. However, the bad feeling I mentioned in the intro has come true. Especially on the gray parts. You can see the most obvious one would be this one. Yeah, I cannot get rid of all the extra enamel paint because the surface is too sand-like. You can here when I just like using my finger like scraping over the surface, it's because the two reasons might cause this. The first one is we applied too thick. Apparently, this is the most direct reason. However, there, I think of another reason. At the very beginning, back in the primer coat part, do you remember that I said it was so windy that day, and the pressure of the airbrush is not enough because it will be affected by the wind. So yeah, that may cause the primer to be a little bit too thick, so that if later on the coloring stage, the paint will have to be like a little bit thinner than usual. Like the red parts actually, they're looking pretty relatively good, but when I paint that, I was thinking it was a little bit too thin for me. So you can see the edges is not that the red because it need to apply a little bit more. However, it works well when the primer doesn't coat it too well. So yeah, that's we're trying to avoid next time because we would like better control after our pieces. So we got the result we wanted. But overall, yeah, it's okay. I'll give it like a 60 point out of 100. Barely like a pass. Don't get too hard on yourself because we're just having fun, you know. Yeah, even though I screwed up, but still I'm having fun. So the last step will be assemble all the pieces together, and after we assemble them, I will use some dry brush. Unlike last time, I dry brush all the pieces. This time we just got a little touch to it, so I'm just using a dry brush after we combine things together and see which part we need to remove first. Alright, that's all for today's session. If you enjoyed this, please drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.